Do you ever wonder how these channels make money? Some of these channels have even millions and millions of subscribers. And in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and create this type of videos for free into your YouTube channel. So make sure to watch till the end because I am going to explain everything that goes behind this video production. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and start your monetization lo-fi channel with AI. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now before we delve into the video, we are going to do this method into 3 steps. First things first, we are going to generate our music. For the second, we are going to create our video. And lastly, we are going to combine them both. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the first step. So to generate our video, you want to open up your browser and you want to type Suno AI. To make things easier, I'm just going to leave this website at the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Inside Suno AI, this is a free AI generation tool that allows us to generate music. For example, let's listen to this music right here. So, as you can go ahead and see, this AI is very powerful. With our own prompt, we will be able to create our very own unique lo-fi beats with our own style. First things first, you want to sign up into their website right here. You can just go ahead and see that at the corner of the screen. Now you have different options: Discord, Google, and Microsoft account. Let's just go ahead and select our Google account right here. You can just go ahead and click on the create button below the home button right here. And inside, this is where we can create our own lo-fi beats. You can just go ahead and type something like lo-fi beats for studying, lo-fi beats for rainy nights, or you can just go ahead and come up with your own. To proceed, you want to click on the create button and the AI will do its work as soon as possible. Now as you can go ahead and see, it will try to generate 2 music for our prompt right here. Now within a few seconds, we have managed to generate our own lo-fi beats. Let's just go ahead and play right here. And as you can go ahead and see, our lo-fi beats has some lyrics. If you want that removed, you can just go ahead and enable the instrumental prompt right here. And once again, go ahead and click on create. And right after generating our music, we have a few options that we can go ahead and choose from. First things first, if you like your lo-fi beats, you can then go ahead and extend this beat by clicking on the extend button. But if you wish to download the beat right after, you can just go ahead and click on the 3 dots right here to view the pop-up menu. Go ahead and click on download, and lastly, go ahead and click on audio. And with that, we have managed to generate our lo-fi beats. So in this step, we are going to create our image for our AI lo-fi beat. You can go ahead and use any AI tools if you have some alternative. But in this video, we are going to use Leonardo AI because it is one of the best free AI tools out there. First things first, you want to head over to their official application. It is the app.leonardo.ai, and inside, you want to create your free account. After creating your free account, you can then go ahead and proceed by clicking on the image generation under AI tools. Now inside, we can now go ahead and enter our prompt. This doesn't have to be too complicated, but in this video, we are going to use this prompt right here. Girl working alone on a desk, bright stars at the background, and night. You can just go ahead and select your fine-tune model. In this video, we are going to select the Albedo Base XL. And lastly, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. But to make the video simple, we are just going to generate our image off the bat. And so after generating a couple of images inside Leonardo AI, you can just go ahead and choose your preferred image. In this video, we are going to select this anime style, so you can just go ahead and select an image that you want to download, and right after, we can then go ahead and upscale this image to make this image more sharper. So you can just go ahead and choose to any of the upscaler feature that they have right here. We are going to select the HD Crisp Upscaler. And now the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and download our image. You can just go ahead and proceed by clicking on the download image, and now we are ready to proceed to the next step, which is adding some effects into our image. So for the next step, we are going to further enhance our image by using CapCut. It is a free editing software that is easily used and beginner friendly. To make everything simple, we are going to use the official application of CapCut, but you can also go ahead and use their web tool right here by clicking on Create New. Now inside CapCut, you can proceed by importing your image, and right after, you can then go ahead and drag this into our timeline. Now, we are adding some effects into our image right here, so you want to proceed by clicking on Effects. And inside Effects, you can just go ahead and add effects the way you want to. For example, if we want to add something like Fairy Wand, you can just drag this inside our timeline and it will instantly affect our image, as we can go ahead and see right here. Now we are going to apply some star effect, so you can just search stars inside the search tab right here, and you can start dragging them inside our timeline. We're also adding some luminance into our image, and you can just go ahead and edit these effects by dragging some sliders into the special effects tab that they have right here. And after editing your image the way you want to, you can now go ahead and export this image by clicking on the export button. Inside we have our title, you have your location, resolution, and more, but lastly you have to click on export. So in this step, we are adding both of our image and music together. First things first, you want to import both of your files inside CapCut, and you can now go ahead and start dragging them inside our timeline. Now you want to make sure that your image fits the entire lo-fi beat, so you can just go ahead and copy your image and start pasting them right away so it will loop endlessly. And now that we have both of our image and music together, we can start adding some text inside our video. First things first, you can then go ahead and add some lo-fi beats or the title of your beat inside your video. So you can just go ahead and click on the text icon right here, and you can choose any templates that they have inside CapCut. For example, we are going to use this template right here, and you can just edit it inside our timeline. Right after, you can then go ahead and edit this the way you want to. In our case, we are just going to put lo-fi beats at the middle of the video right here. So inside CapCut, you can also go ahead and animate the text by clicking on your text right here. Click on animation, and inside we have our in effect, out effect, and loop effect. You can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. For example, if you want to add something into your clip right here, you can just go ahead and click on the beginning of our video, click on animation, and inside, for example, we want to add some fade in effect. Now after clicking the effect, it will instantly apply our effect into our video. Now let's just go ahead and play the video out for you guys. Now that we have generated our own lo-fi beat using these very simple steps, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and upload our video into YouTube and watch our YouTube channel grow. So guys, if you enjoy and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.